Hello everybody. Now today we'll be doing the next topic. Again, I want to remind you that we are doing part A, employability skills, and in that we are doing ICT skills, that is information and communication technology skills. We were doing Apache OpenOffice Writer. Now today we'll be doing how to format a document using the Apache OpenOffice Writer. Now first of all, what is the meaning of formatting? Formatting is the process of changing the appearance of the text in a document with the help of various fonts, font colors, font sizes, etc. So why do we need to do formatting? We need to do formatting so that our document becomes more attractive and presentable. Now in that first one we'll be doing character formatting. Now character formatting means that all the characters that you have typed, they can be formatted. So character formatting can be done in two ways. First is using the format menu and the second one is using the formatting toolbar. So first one is character formatting using the format menu. So the steps to do so are, first of all, you will be selecting the text, then you will be clicking on format menu bar, and then you will be selecting character option. The character dialog box will appear. Here you can change the font size and typeface using the font tab in the dialog box. Click on the font effects tab to change the font color, font effect, and apply other styles. So these things, the various fonts, what are fonts? Fonts are Times New Roman, Algerian, Verdana, Tahoma, all these are the fonts. So you can change them. Then you can, font effects means the font color that you want the color of the font to be light, you want a shadow effect, you want a blinking effect, whatever, that will be there. Then you have position also in the character dialog box. Position means what will be the position of the text. Suppose you are typing some mathematical formulas in a document and you need to write x square. So 2 here will be at the top of x, so that is a superscript. Similarly, if you are writing some exponential formulas, then you need to write it at the base, so that is known as subscript. Otherwise, you keep it normal. Rotation of the text also is there in position, 0 degree, 90 degrees, all these things. Then hyperlinks. Next one is your hyperlink, that if you want to make the text as a hyperlink. Hyperlink means then you want that text to be underlined, and whenever you take up your mouse there, it will be turned into a hand shape. And then the last thing in the character dialog box is the background. Background means the background of your text. Finally, you will click OK. So this will help you change the character formatting using the format menu. Now next one is character formatting using the formatting bar. Now the formatting bar, just like in MS Word, you have at the top, there are various buttons to change. So using these buttons, you can go for character formatting. There is a button for default settings. Default settings means the settings that are already predefined. They are given by the Apache company. They are already there. Default settings. Then you have font selection text boxes there where you can select which font you want to apply to your text. Then you have font size, what size of the font you want. Then you have bold, italics, and underline also. You want to make your text bold, italics, or underline. The shortcut key for bold is Ctrl+D. For italics it is Ctrl+I, and for underlining it is Ctrl+U. Then you have text color. You want to change the color of the text. And the last one, you have the highlighting of the text. Now highlighting here means that basically you want to make your text look different to draw the reader's attention towards it. Highlighted text has a colored background. The steps to highlight are either you select the text, click on the drop down arrow of a highlighting button on the formatting bar, or you can click the down arrow of highlighting button on the properties sidebar. Now, what is this properties sidebar? Basically, just like when you in your MS Word, when you were clicking on clip art, what was happening? You got a clip art window at the side of your main window. So similarly here you have properties sidebar where you can find various options just like you have in your formatting bar. All these options are there also in the properties sidebar to change the font, to make your text bold, italics or underline, then highlighting the text. So this sidebar can be opened and closed by your choice. So here the highlighting of text can be either done using the properties sidebar or the buttons already present on the formatting bar. Now children, just to conclude for today, that both of these formatting, basically formatting you are doing to make your text look beautiful, look presentable. When you are asked in a professional environment to make documents, you want that documents to be printed. So using these character formatting options, you can make the text look very beautiful and attractive. So these are the things. So this is about the formatting a document. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.